So Jasmika is unboxing her journal book. It has a book. So it has these stamp-like stickers. She already sticked them. And then we have one envelope. We have some scenery cards. So there is another envelope. And then we have these transparent stickers. So, oh, very cute plasters. And then, oh, these are the stamps. So all are stickers, Jasmika?
Yeah.
Okay. So the journal is gonna be so interesting. So we also have bookmarks. Oh, many more bookmarks and cards. Wow. And oh, another transparent one. You also have some colors over it. And transparent, some quotations are also there. So these are for notes. Cute little colors. And look at this. So to describe whether it is which day of the, to describe the time, they have used these pictures. And then what are these cards? Oh wow, memo cards are there. And then date and issue cards are there. The checklist is there. Look at the cute checklist. And then what are these? Wonderful day cards are also there. So these are not stickers. These are just papers. So with the colorful tape, we need to tape it over this book. And they also gave some plain cards so that we can cut them in whatever shape we need. And there you go. So that's it. Jessie, are you liking your journal?
Yes.
So let's see what is she creating. So Jasmika has used the transparent sticker over here, but she couldn't see. So we tried it over this color tape, and then the quotations were given already. And then she also used a cute stamp saying, "Have a nice life." And then today she has written about her experience. Today she had a Rubik's Cube competition and all her excitement is written over here. She also used the tapes. The tapes are really cute. It has a different sceneries over it. And these cute little stickers were given. We also used color pencils to decorate them. So Jasmika, do you like to talk anything about this?
Yeah. It's very beautiful. There are so many stickers and there are cards,
Envelope cards.
envelope cards, and this book has so many pages. I can use what I want. That's why.
Oh wow, good to know. Dhriti, are you also enjoying?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So this is the book they have given. So to know the price details and the link, I will describe it in the description.